Hey guys, what's up? J-Boss Dan here, and today, just wait a sec. I want to do something. Just wait. Okay, so today I am going to talk about this Nerf gun. It is literally awesome because it has this, and then just watch. See, and it opens, and then it has this. So this, but then the bad part is you need this. So you stick it in there. So this one, and then that one, and then just gonna blow it here. Oh, poop. Sick. See, and then you boom, and then watch this. Let's turn here. See that? That's amazing. That is like the best thing I've ever seen in my life. Now, where did that Nerf bullet go? Okay, that is terrible. Now I just lost the Nerf bullet. Good job, Jacob. Poopus. Oh, great. Well then. Oh, here it is. What was on my chair? Okay, so first, you're gonna need a lot of these orange things. So you are going to need to put them all in these little pockets here. And then I have no idea what type this gun is, but no idea what it is. But alright, now you just need to fill them with bullets. See, they're all in there. See, they're all in there. So now, just stick all the bullets in there. Get all these in there. Ah, son of a... Whatever. Alright. There. It's all loaded with bullets. See? And then you can take this bad boy into action. And then I have that. And then there's this gun, which is madly insane. Because look, there's nothing here. And then I was like, how does this gun work? And I was like, oh. And then I pumped it once. Didn't even do anything. But then I put it in, and then I pumped it. And then, hear that? That's loud. And then And I was like, oh wow. And then I tried it again, and see that Stanley Cup sign right there beside the Crosby and Everly jersey? Damn it. I didn't pump it enough. Ready? Damn. Okay. I'll pump it about like 5 times. 5 to 3. Holy shiz crackers and shiz whistle. I like that gun because you can pump it as many times as you want. I wouldn't pump it more than like 7. And then that gun, the blue one, is awesome because it has so much power to it. So you pump it and then you shoot it. If you pump it just once, ow, I just cracked my pinky. So if you pump it once and it doesn't even do anything, if you pump it twice, then it has a little bit of power. If you pump it 3 times, then it has a lot. If you pump it even more, then it has a lot of that. And then the green gun, I like it because when you go like this and pull it back hard, the thing pops out. And I like that I like that. So yeah, those are my Nerf guns. Well, I have way more. When I mean way more, and I mean way more. Yeah. Alright. So, then I have this gun. This gun is my favorite, but I can't find this or the mag. So it's pretty much pointless. But the cool thing about it is that you can go like this. Pull it back and see that black thing? Pop it up. Pop that up. And then, let's do it this way. Then you can just put that right in there. See it? I don't know if you can actually see, but there is a bullet in there. And then it's ready to load. Is that black? Yeah, that's the bullet. Ready? The Stanley Cup sign. What the hell is that? How did that not go? Ow. Oh no, please don't tell me it's stuck in there. Shoot. Oh, good thing you have pencils. Oh, perfect. You have a screwdriver. Got it. Okay, let me never do that again. Alright. I need to go get something. I'll be right back. Well, I couldn't find the mag, but, in here, I have some Nerf bullets. Alright, so, if I were to grab my Nerf gun, let's say I grab a white bullet. See? These are the same. They're the same. Except one's white, one's blue with an orange tip. So, I'll grab this white bullet. Sometimes this thing gets jammed. So reason. I don't know why, but sometimes Nerf guns can be stupid. And not like stupid that they